We are creating a new directory in the Python basics. Let's name it as day1. Now let's create a new Python file. Add.py. Now this is a program where we will add two numbers, a equal to 4, b equal to 6, c equal to a plus b. In programming a, b, c, these are called variables. Here a has got value of 4 and b has value of 6. A, B, C, they are now memory locations. The value that we get after adding a and b, that value will be stored in C. C equal to a plus b. That's the correct format. We cannot do it in the other way. A plus b equal to c. No. C equal to a plus b. That's correct. So now the value has been stored in C. For the user to see it, we need to display the value. For that, print C. Let's run it. The output is 10. Now what happens if we put C in double quotes? Print double quotes C. Then the output will be C itself. Those we put in double quotes are regarded as strings. Whatever is kept in double quotes, it will be treated as a character, not a variable. Let's have another program where user will input values to get an output. For that we use input statement. Let's take input from the user. A equal to input, b equal to input. In Python, when we use input statement, Python take it as a string. We need to convert it to an integer. A equal to int input, b equal to int input. That means whatever value the user enters, it will be converted to integer. Then c equal to a plus b, print c. Let's run it. We do not have anything in the output screen. We need to enter the values. 4, 6, 10. Now to make the screen more user-friendly, let's give some messages in the input. A equal to int input, enter the first number. B equal to int input, enter the second number. C equal to a plus b. Let's also give a string in the print double quotes. The sum is comma C. We'll give a comma to separate the string and variable. Let's run it. First number 15, second number 20, the sum is 35.